So now there is a task for all of you. Please come closer to the screen wherever you are watching the TV or any instrument. So come closer to the screen and try to see these beautiful images and let us see what we can understand from this. Now please look closer in the figure number 1. So you can see some emoticons, but how many of you can see a triangle inside that? Actually speaking, there is no triangle, but these images are put in such a way that it appears as if there is a triangle, but actually there is no triangle. Now on the right side you see the figure number 2. What can you see in this figure 2? Is it a young girl or an old lady? Some people can see only young girl and some people can see the old lady, and some can see both. Were you able to find it out? Now let us go to the figure number 3. So what can you see here in the figure number 3? There is an old man and an old woman, or there is a man and a woman, they are singing with a guitar, and there is another lady watching from distance. So there are so many things. Now let us see the next image. Can you say which person is taller? Actually speaking, in this image, all the 3 of them are same height. Just because the background, the lines are put in such a way that it appears the third person is taller than the first person, but actually all the 3 are of same height. Now look at these flowers. Interesting. It is an image, it is not a video. Now if you look at one flower, that flower which you look at, it actually doesn't move, and all other flowers moves. And now when you shift your focus onto the other flower, the other flower will stop moving, but all other remaining flowers will start moving. Actually it is an image, but the flower petals are put in such a way that it appears as if it is moving, but actually speaking, it is not at all moving. Another image. Again here, the dots are put in such a way that if you focus on one dot, that particular line of dots appears stagnant, but other dots are moving. And when you focus on the other line of dots, that particular line of dots becomes stagnant and other dots are moving. Quite interesting, right? Another interesting thing. What can you see in this image? Can you see a bridge, or can you see a series of boats on the water? Now look at this. Now a task for all of you. Come closer to the screen. Look at the dot. Focus on the dot. And go front and back, go front and back, front and back. And if you do that, you see the circle, the boxes, it actually starts rotating. But actually speaking, it is just an image. Hope you got it.